Today I'm going to be having my first look at this here 16-bit TV game station. Hey everybody, just a quick reminder, if you like these kinds of videos and you'd like to see more of them, please remember to subscribe down below and enable bell notifications so you can get notified of future uploads. And now, without any further ado, let's get to today's video. So recently I was in a second-hand shop here in my local town and I came across this here 16-bit like Chinese gaming console. It kind of looks like it's supposed to be a knockoff of a Wii, so well, I bought it because it was really cheap. It was like only 50 bucks, only like 50 rands that is. So yeah, that's like about just a little more than $3. So yeah, it's a bargain at that price for pretty much anything. Now I want to have my first look at it and see if it's any good. So first of all, let's have a look at the box. So it's a fairly basic thin cardboard box, just as you can see there, nothing too fancy. It's in a pretty good condition still, even though it is second-hand. It doesn't seem like it was used too much or anything. And there on the back you can see all of the games it comes with. So let's see what they have written here on the box. So first of all, here at the bottom they have 16-bit TV game station written, and then some of the games it have like tennis, ping pong, and then up here they say that it comes with 46 games built in. So I mean, getting 46 games for 50 bucks isn't bad, but we'll have to see if they're any good. So let's get right onto it. But the box isn't very interesting, so let's see what we got inside. So it just opens up like this, and there we go. There is the whole thing. So first of all, let's see what we've got here. So we've got some like attachments for the controllers. Like this is supposed to be like, I guess, a baseball bat, as you can see there. Basically, the first one, and then this is like a golf club, basically. Yeah, another one, you can see there. And this is like a little, what do you call it, for ping pong, a little bat thingy for ping pong. You can see that there. Okay, then what's this? Okay, here we have a like supposed to be, I guess, a tennis racket, basically, right there. So that's that. Okay, and then we have another one of those ping pong little bats. Okay, that's the first one. Then we have the controllers themselves. Very basic, very cheap plastic. It's got like a little clip thing here on the front. Everything. It's a very basic like knockoff of a like Wii controller. You can clearly see it's supposed to be a knockoff of a Wii controller, and so is the gaming console itself. So yeah, so we got the first one of those, and then the second one also. Basically identical. Only difference I can see here is, I don't know why, but if you look here you will see the numbers on them. This is P1 and P2, like I guess they mean like player 1 and player 2, but the letters are not centered properly. I don't know why that's like that, but I guess that's what you get for buying a Chinese console, a really cheap one. Since this console only costs, like, I checked it online, I had a little trouble finding it since it doesn't really have a name. It's just like a TV game station. But I found it. It was going before, I don't know if you can still get it. It was going for like 300 rands, but
yeah, so I guess that's not too much. It's like 20 bucks, $20, you know. Okay, and then here we have what looks like a basic old school game cartridge. It's basically identical almost to that. And this is basically where all of those games are. It's your 46-in-1 games. So there's that, alright. And then we just have a basic AV cable. Short, not very long, but it's fine. Only problem with this one is, as you can clearly see, it's old school AV first of all, not very good quality video, but it's only a 16-bit console, so that won't matter. The real problem here is that it's only mono audio, so you're not getting stereo at all, but I guess that's fine at this price. I don't care. Okay, and then we've got a power supply for the gaming console itself. Just a basic, what's this, 6-volt power supply, nothing fancy. Then, last but not least, we have the console itself. There we go. That's the console. Very basic, cheap Chinese plastic. Kind of a strange design. We also have the, what's this, instruction manual here, but we don't care much about that right now. Just gonna put the box aside. Okay, now we have some more space. So, yeah, it's kind of strange how it is designed. It kind of looks like it's designed like a Wii to stand upright like this, but also it does have feet on this side as well. And if you look at the other parts of it, like where the power button and the reset button is here, because that's the power and reset, and where the game cartridge goes in, and even the writing on the back for the ports, it's all indicating that it should come, that you should put it down like this, even though that kind of looks strange to me. The shape just doesn't look like it's supposed to be like this. So I don't know where the design choice came from, but oh well, whatever, doesn't really matter. I guess you could put it either way. It's just actually simpler like this, almost, to put it like this, yeah. Because even if you like put the game cartridge in here, because it goes in right here, it's just a standard one of those old school game cartridge slots. It just looks more natural like that, and it's easier to put in and remove like that. And if you have to push the reset button, then you have to hold the console like this, or the power even. So yeah, there's a lot of reasons to rather just put it like this and get it done with it. See that? Yeah, that's the, well, it goes in quite tight, this cartridge. Yeah, there's the game cartridge as well. As you can see there, just one of those normal old school game slots. So what else do we have here? Oh yeah, one last thing about the console I wanted to mention is it does seem to also have a space here where you could put batteries. So you could power it with batteries instead of the power brick. So yeah, that's quite interesting. Don't know why you would want to do that. Maybe if you have like a portable TV that also runs off of batteries, it could be nice. So yeah. Okay, what else do we have here? So let's take one of these controllers, have a look at them. So first of all, the controller, it's I don't know, the buttons are very meshy and like very loose, I have to say. They don't feel nice at all, like you can feel it's cheap. So the basic design, as you can see here, is like that. It's got your buttons here on top, A, B, A, B, B. That's basically like that. The selection button and start button, some arrow buttons here. Then on the side, it has a sport and a game mode selection. Don't know exactly what that does yet, but we will find out. It's got these little LED lights on each side, and on the back it also has one. And then on the front, unlike the Wii that has like a sensor in the front for detecting the movement, it only has a big hole here where you can put in like your attachments, which I don't really know if I guess they don't really have any function. It's more just for, yeah, just for show. That's that then. So yeah, that's the basic controllers. Also got a little strap like the Wii that you can put around your arm so you don't throw it. So that's all I have to say about the controllers. At the back they take, just one last thing I have to show you guys. At the back they take 2 AAA batteries for power. So that's basic, just I'm fine with that. And they actually have a screw to keep it closed. That's nice, so that it doesn't go open while you're playing or whatever. So that's kind of nice. So I guess that's basically all I have to say about this console. That's all of it. It's all console. So recently I decided to try and make my videos a little shorter, so I'm not going to be doing the rest of the review in this video. I'm gonna be doing it in a part 2. In the part 2 I will be doing testing of the console itself, and I'll see how the gaming is on it and everything, and that will make it easier for me to make the videos shorter so that I don't have to do so much in one video, because I also want to do a teardown of this console and the controllers. So that all will take just simply too much time for me to do it all in one video. I personally think it will be better to do like 3 parts for this console, and we'll see how that goes. I also have some other consoles and some other stuff I want to try and do the same kind of thing with, where I'm going to be doing more than one video so that I can do the teardown separate and the testing separate and the basic review separate as well. That will be all for today then. So please subscribe down below, hit the like button, and remember to leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time.